Hi, it's Denise Graves of the Graves Group. Is it hot enough for you yet in Texas? So here we are with the hot summer, and we're always looking for ways to cool off. You take the kids to Schlitterbahn, you go to Fiesta, Texas, SeaWorld, maybe a local pool. But let's not forget our fur babies. There's people like me that love their dogs and cats. So I always take my puppy for walks early in the morning. For about 9 o'clock, try to get her out there about 8:30. And there's nothing she likes better than a romp in the sprinkler. And I carry water. I mean, the dog has water, but she's like a kid. She'd rather drink out of the hose, or in this case, the sprinklers going off in people's yards, rather than the Gucci water that mom brought along on the walk. But one of the things you want to think about for your dogs too is, so we've had footwear for dogs for a long time. So I've seen dogs that have, are older and they have trouble kind of, walking on floors and maybe slipping or sliding. So good gripper shoes or little socks for dogs, but now they have one that help their pads stay cool. Obviously, we're not gonna leave our dogs in the car when it's 103 outside. I won't even leave chocolates inside the car. So, you don't want to leave your puppy in there either, but you want to watch their paws on the hot pavement. And so there are cool socks. You can get them from Amazon, Walmart has them, Target. You can get them almost anywhere, any pet store. The great thing about San Antonio is we're seeing more and more dog parks pop up. And there's a really cool one, if you want to go all the way to Austin and want to spend the day, called the Barking Springs. So there's Barton Springs, this is Barking Springs, and it has a water play area for dogs. Be sure and take water shoes because those rocks get slippery, but it's a great opportunity for you to be out of doors with your dog. Birdie Lake's a great place to take your pet, and with all the dog parks locally, most of them have watering stations. They all have food, they're shaded. It's a great place to spend an afternoon with your dog and show them how much you love them. You both go home happy. Everybody's got smiles on their face. We've got a little water, a little playtime. And there are local restaurants too that are in the love or showing love for our pets, like Starbucks. You can drive through them while you're getting your venti caramel macchiato. You can get a puppuccino for your dog. I know Hops and Hound near me has that as well on the menu. And so what is that? That's a little cup of whipped cream, and I know my dog never says no. She loves it. It's a great treat. It helps them cool off, stay cool, and survive the summer heat. It's sad to see your dog stuck inside, maybe with no water source or way to go outside and play. Mine love the pool. They love chasing balls. They do have little life jackets that they wear if they swim in the pool because they're Frenchies and they tend to go to the bottom. They can't swim real well. We kind of splash them, spray them. They really like playing in the sprinklers because they get to control the action. But you get the idea. We're always looking for fun stuff to do with our pets. And speaking of fun things to do with our pets, at La Cantera area, the Spurs are building a new complex called The Rock at La Cantera, which is really cool, except for the best part is they have the Coyote Park going in, which is going to be the largest dog park in the state of Texas. I think it's a little over 4.5 acres, and it's going to have all kinds of fun things. Now, this is not going to be open for the general public until later in the fall, and it'll be cool then, but what fun it's going to be right here, north central San Antonio. So this summer, while you're having fun and cooling off this hot Texas heat, don't forget your dogs and your cats, but mostly your dogs, and get them out. There's a lot of great shaded dog parks, places where they can spend some energy, play, cool off, and have a great time with you. Let us know if you need a list of all the great dog parks in San Antonio and the Hill Country, but it's fun to Google and see what they offer. There's all kinds of fun things at each one. Hope you're having a great summer. Stay cool.